Today I'm going to show you how to stabilize shaky footage in CapCut. So we've got this video clip of a skateboard going down a road. What we're going to do is make sure that it's selected on the right hand side, click on video, make sure that you're coming down here and select stabilize. Now you will see that there are different levels of stabilization. All right, we've got the recommended, which is kind of like a middle ground. Over here, this is going to be okay. So you can select that if you want. Here, if you want just a minimal cut. So if you just want soft cut for your stabilization, this is the one that you can use. And then we've got the most stable. So this will make it most stable. And it will pretty much be like quite a high intensity of stabilization. So whichever one you'd like to go ahead and use, go ahead, click on that. Give it a few seconds to actually process. You can see now we're kind of halfway through. And then we've also got this optical flow over here. Now, this optical flow will basically allow you to arrange your frames so that they softly flow into each other. And this was also a way of stabilizing your video footage. So this is it over here. Let's push play and see what it looks like. I mean, that looks pretty stable. That looks pretty good to me. So there we go. You can now stabilize your video in CapCut.